So, after the 10th sloka in the chapter Nirvimarsha Hibhiravaha, let's continue with the 11th sloka. So, the 11th sloka tells about what happened to the girl who was put in the Manjusha, that is the box, and put on the river Ganges. So, the 11th sloka is Tadhedi chagada yavad gangam na prapnuvandite Rajaputraha kimapyekastavat tasyam avatarat. The two main words that need to be remembered here is Rajaputraha, that is prince, and avatarat means descended or entered the water. So, what happened is while the people who were sent by the monk were were walking towards the river Ganga to get the box, a certain prince descended into the river at that time. That's what happened to the that's what happened in the story. In between, the people of the monk reached the box or the river Ganga. Then the 12th sloka, Sotra Vanijakshiptam Manjusham Vikshadhipataha Pratyeranaya Sahasa Kaudugad Udaghatayat. The important words in this sloka is Manjusha is repeated here. Other than that, Vikshya, having seen. So somebody is seeing the box. Kaudugad Udghadayat, opened it out of curiosity. Udghadayat means opened it. So here the prince saw the box and brings it to the bank with the help of those servants, and he got curious and opens the box. That's what happened in after seeing the box. So this sloka has a fill in the blanks. The second line of the sloka is one of the questions in fill in the blanks. Brityairanaya sahasa kauduga dudaghadayat. This line is important. Then the 13th sloka, Dadarshantah kanyam tam hridayonmadagarineem upayeme cha gandharva vidhina tam cha takshanam. Upayeme is the main word in this sloka. Upayeme means married. So this sloka is the answer of question number 3 from second main. Question is Rajaputraha Manjusham Prapya Kim Karoti. What did the prince do after getting the box? So that question is answered through the sloka. The meaning of the sloka is inside he saw a girl who was very beautiful. He married her at that very moment according to the Gandharva rite. That is the meaning of the sloka. So the main word here is upayeme, meaning married. 14th sloka, Manjusham tam cha gangayam tadhev urdhvasthadipikam kritva tadyajanikshipya ghoram vanaram antare. Vanaram antare are the two main words that can lead to the meaning of the sloka. Vanaraha means monkey. Antare means inside. So, what twist happened in the story is being explained in this sloka. So, what did the prince do after taking away the girl out of the box? He placed a fierce monkey inside that box, kept the lamp on top of the box as before, and released it back into the river Ganges. That is what he did after releasing the girl from the box. This sloka is also important because this is the answer of question number 4 from first main. Rajaputraha Manjushayaha antaha kam nikshipati. What did the prince keep inside the box? Rajaputraha Manjushayaha antaha Khoram Vanaram Nikshipati. He put a fierce monkey inside the box. Khoram Vanaram will be the answer. Then question number after that question, the sloka number 15. Gadedha tasmin samprapta kanyaratne nrupatmaje ayayustasya chinvantaha shishyaha pravrajakasyate. The main words that leads to the meaning of this sloka is nrupatmaje. Nripatmaje means the prince. And Shishyaha, the disciples of the monk. So the meaning is after the prince had left with his girl, the disciples of that monk arrived there searching for the box. Then the 16th sloka, there is no question answers or fill in the blanks from question number, the sloka number 15. So let's continue with sloka number 16. ददर्शुस्तां च मञ्जूषां गृहीत्वा तस्य चान्दिकं निन्युः प्रव्राजकस्यैनं सोऽधहृष्टो जगादतान्. Jagada is an important word. Jagada means said. Then hृष्टः, he became happy. Somebody became happy. Let's see who spoke and who became happy. So the meaning of the sloka is they saw the box. The disciples of the monk saw the box, took it and brought it near the monk. So the monk was very happy to see the box, and he said, what he said is being explained in the 17th sloka. एकोऽहं साधये मन्त्रमादायेताम् इहोपरि अधस्तूष्णीं च युष्माभिः शयितव्यमिमां निशाम्. Nisha means night. Tushneem means silently. And mantram sadhaye means performing a mantra or a ritual. So this is the instruction monk gave to the disciples. He said, I will perform a mantra or a ritual alone with this box on the roof. You all should sleep silently downstairs for the rest of the night. In the 18th sloka, इत्युक्त्वा तांसमञ्जूषाम् आरोप्य मठिगोपरि स परिव्राट् विवृतवान् वणिक्कन्या अभिलाषुकः. So the two main words from this sloka is Mathikopari. Mathikopari means on top of the hut where he took the box. And Vivritavan. Vivritavan means opened. So the meaning of the sloka is, having said this, that monk who was desirous of the merchant's daughter carried the box to the top of his hut and opened it. Then 19th sloka is important. The second line of 19th sloka is one of the questions in fill in the blanks. So let's see the 19th sloka. ततश्च तस्यां निर्गत्य वानरो भीषणाकृतिः तमभ्यधावत् स्वकृतो मूर्तिमानिव दुर्नयः. Murtimaniva Durnaya means embodiment of something wrong, embodiment of wickedness. Bhishanakritihi is another word. Bhishanakritihi is an adjective of the monkey. Fierce means fierce. So what happened is, then a monkey of terrifying appearance emerged from the box and attacked him, looking like his own wickedness had taken a physical form. So the monkey is described as the wickedness of the monk being taken a physical form. So tam abhyadavat swakrito murtimaniva durnayaha. The second line only means he ran behind him. Tam abhyadavat. The monkey ran behind the monk like his own wickedness had taken a physical form. That is the meaning of second line, which is a question in fill in the blanks. So the 20th sloka is Satasya dashanair nasam naghaihi karnau cha takshanam चिच्छेद पापस्य कपिः निर्ग्रहन्निव क्रुधा. Papasya means of the sins. Nasa means on the nose. Karnau means ears. Chicheda means cut off. Cut or tore off. So three words you can memorize, that is Nasam, Karnau and Chicheda, that is nose, ears and cut off. So what happened? What did the monkey do to the monk? In an instant, that angry monkey bit off the sinful monk's nose with its teeth and tore off his ears with its claws, as if punishing him. That is the meaning of sloka number 20. Now, sloka number 21 is important because that is the fifth question of first main. Parivrajagasya avastham drishtva kaha jahasa. By seeing the condition of the monk who laughed. Answer is Janaha. So let's see the 21st sloka. Pradar buddhva cha tatsarvam jahasya sagalo janaha nanandasa vaniksa cha tatsuta prapta satpatihi. The one word very easily relatable is Janaha. Janaha means people, and Jahasa. Jahasa means laughed. Prapta Satpatihi means obtained a good husband. That is, the prince became the husband of the girl. So, the meaning of the sloka is in the morning, the next morning, having learned of the whole event, all the people laughed. All the people in the city laughed. The merchant was happy, and so was his daughter, who had obtained a good husband. That is, prince became her husband. So that is how the story comes to an end.